Morning. Good morning. I'm good. I'm good. And you? All right.
Recording in progress.
I've been muted on YouTube. Nice. This area is marked.
Morning.
Mm, morning, brother. This area is marked in maroon because it is a tricky area that I don't necessarily like to trade in. However, this is a valid shot looking at this into there, closing below, and Bob should be your uncle. This is a very valid option. I'd have liked to see an upper week first to go on the flip, try and break these, and then target somewhat of the clean range that we have to the left to pull into these areas over here. So yeah, quite simple this morning. If this does not continue, I think then definitely some pullbacks probably for the next hour to see how we do into the open. That would then for me either need to hold here or break above and possibly pull back into this areas to pull back into here and see for further more downside into there. That is what I myself personally am looking at. I just want to check, is the volumes fine?
Yes, it is fine.
Okay,
100%.
all good, all good. Yeah, quite simple. Goal still going and just effing off. That is what it is. I'm just going to miss that run for now. Not traded.
I'm actually looking at the same thing.
Yeah,
Was was looking to get in here. Had it been we made an upper week for them. Thing just came down and went down straight.
yeah. I was looking at it as well from this perspective. With the 15, this was a nice candle, and I was like, okay, surely I can get
Yeah,
into here, but that range wasn't uh, too
wasn't
big. It
good.
was like 7, so in total it ran 15 pips and so forth, which is good.
Yeah,
But that they've just been now in and have been out, and yeah, I think there'll definitely be more options. So fine
Yeah.
with that one.
It's always ranging this area.
Come again?
It's always ranging on this area.
Yeah, you know this area, the KD area.
Yeah. Yeah.
Crazy, bro. But shall see, shall see, shall see. Yeah. Um, Skippers, what are you looking at? You're looking at gold.
Yeah, no, just checking. But yeah, it doesn't look beautiful. Had a nice trade yesterday, but yeah, it's waiting for more structure. But currently we are also bullish. So
Yeah. Bullish it is, bullish it is, bullish it is. It's my jam. I genuinely enjoy this jam, bro. It's so good. Okay, gold. Yeah. I wait. Just got wait. Who's on? Diablo morning brother. Good morning. Thinking. So I think with this now, I think it might be a bit of a long wait if we're struggling to break through here. Uh, you, what I'm picturing now next, right, is this holding. We know firstly what this area is. Right? Not trading in this area. It's a no-no for me. Either is one of two things. Price needs to create structure below here,
Yeah.
and then I want to find a decent range on to the left where I can trade into and use that clean range. Or we'll hold here and start to make structure to the upside. If we're still holding below here, that will be tough and tricky because I wouldn't want to still trade into here again, so I won't take that option. That won't be a good option. I'd want to see then deeper pullbacks, maybe into here, to then pull down and retest these areas. And then if it continues up from there, that's peak. But I know that I can at least get down back into somewhere here. That's what I'll be looking at. But I wouldn't want to trade from here again, because that's 1, 2, 3. I mean, 3 times, that's nice. 4 times, that is, yeah, that's not a vibe for me. Even though price is still then at that point showing that we are holding below and that is resistance, I wouldn't be comfortable with that, so I would wait, because there's more than enough clean range down here to trade all the way down to this blue little line over here. And you guys know what blue lines are. Blue lines, blue line. So yeah, and you can see where we opened with the week as well. Pulled back, retested it, went a bit lower, and then pushed. So not much that we've done, I think, overall this week. Not much. We're not really trending yet, but we are getting volume. I am looking forward downside. Dolvi are looking for some more downside.
Yeah.
Did you get a notification when the YouTube thing went live? Do you get a notification?
Yeah, I usually do, but I turned it off now. Turned my YouTube notification off. Are you on YouTube now?
Yeah, we are on YouTube now.
Oh.
Have to go to YouTube. You can't live trade on TikTok. Dolby, how you doing? Oh man. See, this is what I don't know. This is the thing on TikTok. Listen. You can't do what you want on TikTok. The commentary moved yesterday. I didn't even say anything rude. All I said was someone was cheeks. Imagine these people has been trying to sell gold for the past, don't know how long now. Every day somebody's doing it. Skippers.
What's up?
Can you say, I can't say this word quickly, but I'm thinking since you're Afrikaans, I wonder if you can. Accommodative. Can you say it quickly?
What?
Accommodative. Like accommodate, but accommodative. Accommodative.
Accommodate.
Yeah, like accommodate. Type it. I'm gonna put it on the screen for you. Say this word.
What?
Accommodative.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'm talking to the Zoom. I know, you bruh. Look, I'm talking to the people on Zoom.
Accommodate.
Look, and on YouTube. I think you guys are visible on YouTube, right? People can hear you on YouTube.
You know, the only notification I got was the TikTok one.
Yeah, I know you must turn on post notifications, but you don't need to because you're here in the Zoom. Accommodative.
Um,
Accommodative. Yeah, I'm all morning accommodative.
Oh,
uh, but you know, I don't feel
I was
bad
like,
because I know Skia precies also sitting there like,
I thought you want to tell me I'm gonna say Afrikaans word. There you come with an English word, will you?
Afrikaans is easy, bro. Accommodative.
bruh,
Yeah, now I feel dumb.
I was, I was drunk on Monday night
Bro, we on
with the
YouTube.
whole party.
We on YouTube. We on YouTube. We on YouTube.
No, 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 no. It's a clean thing.
Yeah,
So
but
I'm on
it's not.
English. I said I wanted to say accident in Afrikaans, so I said accident instead of ongeluk.
Um,
Have you
So,
ever heard of an accident?
never.
so this now, I definitely want to see price push up further from here. If not, and we somehow do something like this, then maybe I'll play that next.
Okay, I'm just trying to check what's
Yeah.
happening on my laptop here because I saw something yesterday that I wanted to ask you on GJ, but it's trying to pull up this thing on my PC quickly. Internet's very slow here today.
That would be the only other way that I consider. But I definitely want to see price above here.
Oh.
To my one viewer on YouTube, good morning. goeiemôre. Yeah, the one thing I don't want to do is get stuck in this range. That I won't enjoy. Wow. One wait. Yeah, I'll be right back. I shall be right back. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's starting to pull up. Guess what I saw on TikTok this morning? This lady doing like gold signals. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah. Kind of.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
This lady's doing like having people like sign up and whatever and stuff, right? She is
Yeah.
$9 million in profit, and she's saying, "Oh, guys, please like the live. Please join. Um, and you must sign up and all these things," is what she's saying, and I'm like, people believe that. Not demo account, probably, definitely demo account. Is it it makes no. How can it even make sense? Like, can you imagine you're $9 million in profit, and you're busy, you're on TikTok, telling people please join, sign up, and all that. Like, come on. The crazy part is that
That,
there's people that still like believe it, and it's sad, bro. Like, that's how desperate people are, you know.
yeah, that's crazy.
It's crazy, bro. Playing on people's feelings like that, it's not right. Okay,
Yeah,
from a 30 perspective, I don't want to see that. I'm having deja vu right now, but anyway, I don't want to see a danger. I I definitely want to see some deeper pullbacks wherever it's into. I don't know, but pullbacks are necessary, especially with the time that we're leading into. I mean, this move happened without the boys, without the London boys. So let's see. Into the old classic. Look now, asset demand. Asset demand. Get 4 hour. Looking at it, what now? Corner, come on, man. Okay, you're drawing a line. What about it? Talk to me or type to me. Yeah, corner, zoom. Diablo, are you typing? Because otherwise I don't know what that line means. Or what the 4 hour means. If you come, you better come correct. I'm gonna end the TikTok if you guys wanna continue, so we can watch on YouTube, but I wanna have a smoke and I'll smoke on TikTok.
Lekker,
Yes, so
lekker en jij. Wat you guys busy with?
fucking building a house or some shit, bro. What does it look like we're busy with?
That was a failed attempt at fucking sarcasm. I could book my eyes. Fuck's sake. Fuck's sake. Anyway, how you doing? You good?
I'm all good, dude. How you doing?
Good. 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 I'm gonna connect on my PC. Yeah, to Zoom. I'll be back now.
Okay, so now I have to delete goes outside. Just a further. Let's see. Anybody with some big kahunas want to take buys?
Uh-uh.
Take buys. Peanut. No fancy, no buys.
What are you thinking? Have you talked about it?
Of course, I spoke about it. We're like 40 minutes in. Maybe we show your ass up on time then. Now, looking for cells. However, you can see where we at.
Yeah.
Target has been reached. So, looking at also the time over here. One thing I don't want to see is stuck in the range. Sorry, I drew that wrong. I don't want to see price move here, so I do want to see some deeper pullbacks or price creating structure below here so that I can then target furthermore into these areas over here, which is a big enough range down here, you get me?
Yeah.
But yeah, what's gonna make it a bit tricky for me is if we stay around these areas and just stay up, like that's not what I want. So either like some deeper pullback so I can sell, and then if it does want to continue, at least I know that I got a move to the downside following the trend, and if it continues back into here, that's even more better. So pullback sells or structure below here? But I don't
Nice.
want to trade in here. That's what for me makes most sense. Yeah, from a 15 also, this was an option, but that was your target, so that's done. From a 30, you can see you at target, selling that, pulling back us. You can see we're rejecting the downside of that 191. This area, so the 191 rejecting, so can be a bit toughish. So just waiting at this point, but I'd imagine some pullbacks. You know, it's a big move to the downside of an Asian session, so let's pull back. Let's go pick up the London boys at the London stop and then head down.
Oh, looks similar to the other day.
Yeah.
Where I was like, break a retest.
Yeah, it's just a wait. If I mean, how do you can't freaking sell the low? You ran down 100 odd pips and now you want to sell now. It's kind of dumb. So you're down like 160, 170 pips and then you want to sell. Nope.
Yeah.
That's definitely where you need to be like, okay, we're going down, but how can I get in and not just, oh, we're going down, let me get in.
Mm.
Wait for
Yes.
your bus
It's
stop.
more like yeah, it's exactly what you're saying. Like, where would I want to get involved in a sell? Where would the optimal entry
Yeah,
in the range? You've got like a bully, like a bearish push down. You want to be in above the 50% of that range for so shorts if market gives reaction though.
yeah.
That makes sense.
So now imagine this hourly closes like this. What does that look like? You get me?
Mm. Um, you lock on a 1 hour, would you consider a long on there?
It's a higher risk trade. I could work out because I mean I'm looking for pullbacks, right? But at that point you need to understand, like you are trading the pullback.
Mm.
Um,
But could this bearish push down not be the pullback on a higher time frame?
no, because I am overall bearish. I mean we're
Mm.
still ranging on GJ overall, right? Like for me personally this year, I we're not really trending. So I mean taking something like us, I'd have to look lower time frame. Okay, where's the first area that I'd have to take profit at? That could be over there. You get me? Now I'm running 911 pips, custom close, boom.
Wait, did you just take that?
Oh, pardon, yes I did.
Of course he did. I said break and retest. I was his confirmation again. Same as last time. Same exact trade.
Yeah, you know I love freaking listening to you speak.
Nice. That's resistance to support. You were checking if the support was holding, and it was. I mean, you probably can entry from that. And that's exactly how you trade.
What?
Luister, praat. Meaning if I have to draw this,
There we go.
if I'm allowed. Okay, yeah. Just looking for my pencil here. Right? You would look at this most as your resistance on your candles, and you saw probably a breakout. And you're looking for the retest to continue up.
I see
Break,
what you're saying.
break, and the retest.
Yeah, makes sense. That's not my complete theory with it, but it makes 100% sense. I get what you're saying. So
Mm,
for me, this is like the resistance here, right?
mm.
On the way down, here we have resistance as well, right? That is still holding. Now,
That's what you do.
yeah,
Yeah.
so we've hit down, hit the target, made resistance, boom, target again. We know what area we're in. You pull back, you retest the resistance, low resistance form, low resistance holding. You get me?
Mm, mm,
There's your
mm.
entry confirmation, but you hit target. Not worth it for me. Thought about it, didn't take it. Right? Now, if we've hit this twice, you can see here low wick pushing down. That should continue down. If it's not continuing down, and now you get a candle like this, another one closing then above the resistance. Right, from a 15 perspective, it looks like that, right? So now I know I have resistance there, I have resistance there. You tested it, pushed up. We're failing to continue down. Target has been hit. Now, my thinking for taking this trade is with that, I look at the 30 and I can see, okay, well, from the 30 perspective, here is resistance, here is resistance. This candle has now closed above, formed a lower wick, and I'm sure I have clean range to here. Now I understand this is a counter trend trade, but I understand the timing of my trade and what we were leading into. Like I said when I took it as well, um,
Mm.
I have to understand that I'm trading a counter trend trade based off the time as well. And I said, what would I like to see? I'd like to see us pull back to go pick up the London boys, like for the open. This is down 170 pips, right? I'm not selling 170 pips down. I'd expect some pullbacks because it's just straight, flat out.
No,
So
no.
I'd imagine,
So you think like kind of a correction of some sort.
yeah, but it's not a, how can I say, I wouldn't say it's a good trade. I wouldn't look for a trade like this every day. That's not wise. I am looking to play sells, but
Yes.
because I
Yes.
have so much clean range to the upside, I was like, okay, worth a shot because I know my stop is minimal. I have my lower wick. If I measure that, what's that stop? It's like a 9 pip stop. Does it make sense?
Yes. 100. Contrary to popular belief, ek doen luister as jy praat.
I know you listen.
Mm. I just got this weird way of that. Drifting off topic. I do listen. But if you like zoom up my perspective, I would view it like bearish. Yeah, you know, I'd consider this more a range from there to the bearish range. So I wouldn't be surprised if it comes up to the 50 or even higher before continuing down on
Yeah.
this particular bearish range.
Yeah. So
But on the other side, if you zoom it out a little bit more, you know, I want to see that low there, this low. This could also be considered a bullish range, where this could have been what I mentioned, the pullback continue up. Purely technical way of looking at things. You know, obviously you need to take into account the fundamental things of trading to have a better idea what's popping.
yeah, for me, right, I have that from Friday. Cool. What do we do? Open lower, 190. Okay, we got that there in the bag.
Just that freaking Trump stuff. Everything popped down. Sure.
So now what you've done now is you've gone, boom. You can see that's just a liquidity grab, straight back, boom. Now you're into here, right? Closing above there. Why are we closing back below? Back to test here, back up to there. Did we continue? No, we did not. Now, I mean, if we have grabbed that liquidity there, here again, and you can't even break through properly here, there now, I mean, what's going on? There you can see support, you can see the resistance form, boom, down, closing below these areas as well. There's still clean range here to the left. The thing is, we know which range we are in now, the 191 to 191.200. Now it's a tough range, but I'm still looking for downside now based on this year, on how this moves look. This is when I would say that it's fine to probably go with like a fib and measure it out and look to where you can get pullbacks in, or just look at the chart and wait for it to see if you can at least test back into here to then push up. But I am looking for further downside back into the 190s.
We're kind of on the same page, right? Like pretty much on the same page. I agree with both. So any additional thing that I would add in is liquidity. I see this most as a inertia magnet. All that trend line and this relative equalize. So if you were like in a buy idea, you know, it wouldn't be like a bad idea to target these highs again as a TT. If you were, for instance, in on a buy over here, or maybe even lower to target that. It's
Why
not
would you go
new.
there again? If you go there again at that point,
It's like it's all theory about liquidity. There being a lot of sellers involved there.
can you see the sellers?
Yeah, this where they sell right there.
Can you
Why would market go down? Sellers. You get what I'm saying?
If I can't see nobody's orders or whatever, then I don't care about that. What I can see is resistance. I can see multiple times that we I'm just going off what I'm seeing, right? Multiple times we're not breaking above, we are rejecting, and then eventually. So for me, that's enough range here and here to validate that, right?
No.
Besides now the
Yes, it's
fundamental
like
side of it, just the technical side of it, cool.
mm,
So from this point, pulling all the way back down into here to go back up here and test that to then head down makes no sense. We've done it enough, right? If you pull
I
back here, I'd expect us to break through or pull back and then break through. But
mm,
there's no reason for us to break this resistance, this one, and that one to then head down. Because show me where else on the chart you see price act like that multiple times and then pull back and then only go. No, there's enough. There's enough, like from your perspective, liquidity in the market. Because just to me, it can't make sense to pull back into there to then head down. Because then if you're looking for buys back up to there, well then essentially this is your pullback, right? And you should be buying from here to target there and some more. But I mean, to wait to there, how long are you gonna wait now? Another few hours to get to there to then sell.
mm. No, but I wasn't saying sell. I was saying if you had an idea of buying and you were, for instance, in on this particular spot, it wouldn't be a bad idea to leave a runner to possibly test that.
Yeah, I wouldn't. I'd more look into my first areas
Mm.
because if I get the rejection with continuing the downside move, then
Like you clearly showing me a resistance points like this, right? Let's say this thing runs. You can't anticipate the break and a retest where this forms a support. And then if it goes up, you're probably gonna move your SL up to the recent resistance or support in this case, and just follow it up and chase it up if you had a buy idea. That's kind of what I'm trying to articulate or explain. But for now, for me, what I'm seeing here is what you were saying at first. It's like, okay, cool. Range 50%. I want to look for something happening around here to continue down. That's the first idea for me.
so what did you do? Buys or buy into this? Sell into this?
So I will wait for this, see if I get some sort of confirmation.
Mine's done now. I drink it more. I got my like 12 hoops and
Nice.
literally like right at the top I got out.
Nice. Well done, Kev.
Shot it.
Body! Ding, 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 ding. uh, sorry, I had to.
Rudy, you've been getting your trades early lately.
It's not really getting my trade. This is an option. And yeah, but it was too early for me to be like, yeah, this is the one. Especially with what happened already. Plus, it's not that early. It's 10 to 10 here by me. People in London, they late.
Yeah, London's most starting.
Huh?
London's most starting now.
Yeah, like 2 hours behind us.
Mm.
Yes, is up. Okay. We call on the US to stop oppressing Chinese businesses. The US has made
Yeah,
irresponsible moves on the Panama issue.
the world is crazy now. It's crazy. No, Cap, I love what you're
Yes,
teaching.
so.
I tryna, What's the story now?
Yeah, that was loud. I think.
What do you mean?
Was it just me or was that loud, boys?
That was loud.
It was loud, yeah.
What do you mean? What would the,
Yeah,
do I have to use my inside voice or what's happening, James?
don't
I don't
scream.
know.
Don't scream. I must
I'm not screaming.
my volume now is on 20% because of you. Like,
So I need to speak softer and then wait for you to hear me. And then, bah! Go like that. Anyway, no. No, I like what you. It's because I kind of implemented here and there, just like for But yeah, I don't know. I had a great last 2 days on a New York session. I'm not complaining at all. US50 was good.
did you say you did have a good New York session?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
two good New York sessions because it's Wednesday today. Yeah, yeah.
I hope so.
So it's definitely 2 for 2.
Nice. Oh,
You take
so-
an account. Do you take into account previous weekly highs and lows?
Fuck no.
I'm just asking.
I don't even take the 4 hour into account anymore. Like,
Thank you. Kim.
obviously, there are times when I mark certain things out, right? Like you can see as a 4 hour. But I'm not sitting here daily. Oh, let's see what the daily is doing. Let's see what the 4 hour is doing. Let's see what. No. If I wake up this morning, or I did wake up this morning. When I woke up this morning and I saw this, I was like, cool, we are headed down. I saw all the headlines coming out. The Japan, Bank of Japan, and yeah, then I already knew like what goes for what, right? My mind was already made up. Now it's just about okay, how can I get into? But now I see okay, here we have this area has been marked out here 4 months now, right? Not 4 months, 4 FOR. Okay, 4 months this area has been marked out. We know what it is, and now price reacts around here. Now, I'd have liked to see this possibly just continue the move down. It didn't do that. We already had a massive move down, so I expect some pullbacks. I don't know. I know along my trade loss. You guys also. I'm in this trade. I'm out this trade. Good drop down, right? Well, at least I went to the 30 to look at price there. Boom. Now, further than that, I don't need to go look at the one. If I was looking at the 1 hour, I wouldn't have taken that trade, and I'd be waiting for 1 hour. If I go look at the 4 hour, I also wouldn't have taken that trade because I've been waiting for the 4 hour. The only thing that I more look at is the daily, and even when I do that, I look at it from a perspective that I keep in mind. So, let's say I'm looking at the daily candle on this day. I see that I'm like, okay, if this daily candle is gonna close bearish, then I know tomorrow I'm gonna look for sells, plain and simple. But I don't do that every day, you get me? Now if I look at it today, if today's daily candle closes bearish, then I'd look to see if we can furthermore get into here, because structure, right? But we've opened lower, we've pushed up. This needs to close bearish in order for it to be resistance. If not, then we're holding support. Do you get me? But I'm not sitting every day looking at everything. That's just personally for me, because I don't want. I look at what I need to look at. You can see everything is marked out already. What I need is all on here. So why must I do that? If I do my job properly, and if I draw out my areas properly, I don't need to do it every day. If I take my trades properly, everything will be fine. Now, you guys know this has been on here for months. What is this? Right? You can clearly see how prices reacted in here. I didn't draw this today. There's no need for me to do it. Draw your lines properly, draw your lines accurately, and know what is where. Boom para pim, right? We can see that there. So, me going to look at the weekly high and weekly low to take a trade for fucking 5 minutes, 15 minutes makes absolutely no sense. Then I'm just confusing myself now. Oh, let me go look at this. Oh, let me go look at that. And trust me, I've been there where I look at every possible fucking thing to just for what? It don't make me feel any more secure or positive or whatever the case might be, whatever the word is. Confidence. Looking at the 4 hour doesn't give me confidence. Did you guys get me?
Wow. Yep.
Now if it does for you, good. Stick to it. Just don't go on the fucking 1 minute and the 5 minute. Don't be like Joe. How much Joe?
Yeah, where is he now?
Joe's busy, bro. Joe's busy. What he says, I think he's only starting Feb now. Actually, I need to ask him something.
Yeah.
Job well done to me. We're gonna throw a resistance or target on gold.
Yeah. This is trending.
What can you do, brother? Let's see. Let's see what happens. It's 50. 10. So let's see now. One of two things is gonna happen now.
What?
Picture.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. One of two things. And man, it's a big ask. It's a very big ask. Yeah. Other thing that will happen, which I probably won't be involved in, is that.
Sorry, boys. This is a treffer as well.
What is that?
So this is a treffer as well. So I'd either need to see this holding and this candle giving it the
Yeah.
blitzing to continue. If you don't get that, we'll just get possible maybe pullbacks even into here somewhere. Just push further up. If the blitzing doesn't show, then I will remain with a no. Nothing to do but wait. What do I mean blitzing? Blitz means candle look like some like massive, like like a hammering Woersie you nou. What is this one? The other. What do you think? Oh, okay. Who are you targeting? What must I do with that? Let me see what you mean, brother. You need to send some analysis or some explanation or something, brother. You? What do you mean, who? You send this and that's it. Nothing. What do you mean blitzing? Closed off. Sounds I don't see in a meeting. Look at GJ. I don't see nothing like. Yeah, but I mean, if you're gonna send it, like, say you're considering an option or my take profit is somewhere, something, brother. This is a learning channel. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with a screenshot though. And your words to me last year was you were going to take it serious this year. So, come on, bruh. Goedemorgen, Jody. Good morning to the YouTube. Sorry, boys. Spanish PMI, Italian service PMI. Yep, 100% dirty. This 50 is what I played it from. But essentially, wanted to see what happens here. But I just closed out top of this candle. Myself personally, because and I'm taking a counter trend. So I wasn't gonna push it. minutes to go. A little bit over 3 minutes. Plus, I had to have coffee this morning with almond milk, my bro. It's not because I'm bougie, it's because I didn't have normal milk.
Almond milk.
Almond milk, brother. You know, very like it's not even. It doesn't taste too bad. It doesn't taste as good. But the thing is,
Yeah.
the color. I don't get the color that I want to see when I drink my coffee. You get me?
Yeah.
And I'm not drinking a black cup of coffee in the morning. Like I have like one in the morning. Just like it to taste good at least. So
Yeah.
deal with almond milk. Anyway. See now, let's see. Yeah, if this doesn't, like it could still close below, and the next one could then give the move or form for entry. But then, if you understand that you're trading against the new current structure, so you can't try
Yeah.
and then play. However, this candle ends up, if the next one ends up, like say here, you can't really play that for here. Like you'd have to look into these areas over here.
Yeah. So
So if this one
if
gives
this
the,
candle,
we do that solidly clear.
yeah, if this candle, I would still be interested if this candle closes bullish, but like just like a weak bullish, and the next one gives us a clean move down. But if this one closes bullish like this, I mean bearish like this, this doesn't give me any confidence that we're gonna carry on down.
Yeah.
So, and then now looking at the time, we've moved a lot in Asian session. So yeah, let's just see.
Yeah. So, Jody, when you say lower time frame, what's low to you? Talking about the 5, the 1? Because for me, if we're talking lower time frame like on the 15, essentially target has been hit. Because you have downside momentum. For each target, boom, broke out, that's first target over there. Trying to hold that till kingdom come with all of that is a bit difficult. So, I mean, securing something, if depending on your positioning, if you got in somewhere in these areas, then possibly you could for whatever pullback still. But this is the first.
I'm back, guys.
Welcome back.
Okay. You busy? Okay, Cap, quick one. Now, where's this now? You asked me why I took that trade, right? Where's this pencil? So, the reason I took that trade, obviously, see if I can articulate this correctly. These weeks here, this above here, you know, I've trade flips and pullbacks. So, when this broke down here, as soon as it pulled back, I entered there and I played it till about here. Because, you know, my trades are short, but with a bigger lot size. That's the reason I took that trade. Playing into this, and if I had to hold it longer, which I don't normally do, I would be looking for this, which if I kept it longer, I would have reached that, but that wasn't for me. So essentially, I only done till this year. Does that make sense to you?
Why did you sorta So you got in. Why'd you get in?
Lower.
You got in.
Tell you now the exact place I got in. $191,461.
Breaking these wicks. Is that what made you get in? Because we were breaking these highs.
Yeah.
And you didn't have a target then, I presume.
No, my target was for
For price to push.
price to push to, yeah.
And what is that?
Above these weeks, yeah. So you know that I'd only trade the flips and the pullback. That's why I didn't go for a big target.
Yeah, it's fine. I don't understand what this. It's looking for that wick, like in this. Are you saying a fair value gap here?
No, I don't trade fair value gaps and all that things.
Yeah, because it's a gap. Okay, right. Okay. Well, good job.
Why would you say that?
Because that's why I said it.
Yeah, so I would literally proof on your desk now because I can give you 2 examples later on.
But it is.
Anyway, let's leave it.
Anyway,
The corner.
More pressing concern is the invite to code. Anyway.
Your gold's made nice moves today so far.
yeah. But what do you do? What are you gonna trade it to?
No, I'm just looking at it now. 1,105.5 pips so far.
But it doesn't translate to the money then. If you're not in, it means absolutely bugger all. It's like if I
I
woke up
really
this
don't care
morning,
that.
oh my word, it's dropped so much. But I made nobody in it.
Yesterday, gold in New York session, gold pushed 2,244 pips.
But did you make money and did you take it now? Here's the thing. It's not a blitzing, but can you get the reaction? What is that? To fold, that's 9 pips. Nice. You're in, Keegan.
Nah.
Really? I thought you'd get in.
I don't know. With Asian pushing so much already, and this being not as strong as I wanted it to, I can picture this closing like that to then carry on up. So when I can see something like that, then I sort of just want to stay out of it.
Yeah.
Asian session on, oh, fuck, we're on GJ. Sorry, before I open my big mouth here. Just go back here. Asian session is 105.1 pips. Just check here, quick that one close,
What the
London
fuck you just
open.
say?
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Asian station pushed 105.1 pips to the downside.
I know I heard you say 1,000 pips.
No, that wasn't gold. On gold, Asian station was 1,845 pips. That's why I said wait before I open my big mouth, and I went back to GJ, and it's 105.1, 105.1 pips, Asian station.
Oh, okay.
I've got an indicator on my laptop that shows me how many pips it moves in each session.
You must just measure it. What do you need?
The indicator shows other things as well, but it just shows on top of that indicator 105.1 pips. How many pips it is?
Reaching to target. Bit of a slow down here. Wish I could just hear Joel say now. It's a bit of a pause scandal. He said it so
Into the
eloquently.
pause. Yeah.
A what?
Pause candle.
Pause scandal.
A pause candle.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just floating
Like
there.
it pauses. Yeah.
You guys don't know about Big Joel, brother.
No, I don't know, Joel. Is he part of your other group with Monty and him?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Very eloquent man. Eloquent right word, yes sir. He's
Yeah. Eloquent.
From where is he?
He's from the UK.
From the UK. Having crumpets and tea. Just what? A massive candle now. 192,500. Straight.
192.5.
Yeah, no, if lump is just
192.500 is right here. It's not like
192,580.
192.
Would be nice.
Yeah. We'll see now. It's 5 minutes to
But,
But
yeah.
there is a possibility of this thing creating structure like Keegan threw that out, closing above, and then possibly see.
Move to the upside.
Yeah. But there isn't closed yet, so no certainty yet.
Well, I left the runner,
Oh, nice.
a very small runner, so we'll see. It's on break even. So either way, I made my money today.
Just explain how you made it, please. From now on.
Yes, boss. So I put my nice watch on, and then I put my laptop on. And that's how I made money.
So you rock up with a suit to Zoom.
Only the jacket in a boxer shorts. You know, I think my goal this afternoon is, remember the last time we were still trading together in last year? I told you that I got a PC and a monitor specifically for my trading. That PC and monitor is still standing here on my desk. It hasn't even been set up yet. I think that's my goal for today, seeing as I'm on leave. I'm going to set up my PC
So you're still trading on your phone?
and the laptop.
Don't be a bitch, bro.
I'm trading on my phone, but checking on the laptop.
Don't be a bitch. Stop fucking trading on your phone.
You want to tell me that there's nobody else here in this chat now that trades on their phone?
I can tell you there's nobody here trading on the phone that has a PC available to them. Right there.
But I've got 2 laptops and a PC. I just use the one laptop for my trading view and for my Forex factory.
What are you using MetaTrader for?
No, I deleted that long time ago. Using MetaTrader 5.
At least. Now, look at where we've lined up and where we formed that resistance. Look where we pulled into. Right? And then look to the left as to where price closed. I say look to the left or look to the right? Whatever I said, I meant to say look to the right.
I'm lost now. I'm not getting what you're asking.
I'm not asking anything.
Must I look at where?
I'm just,
Okay.
if you look at it, right? Look where we pulled into and look where we closed.
Yeah.
And then look to the right. What do you see on the right? What is that?
4 hour.
Yep. Now you have to ask yourself the main question: reaction or rejection?
What's that 4 hour based off?
Or for 4 hours?
A previous 4 hour.
It's about there. I mean, you brother. It's based off a 4 hour
Let's see, can you just go?
from 23 April last year. And because
So what? It's one that's been there for a while.
yeah, so this was
Alright.
like we had a nice downside move right into the one into what is this price here? 0.2 370. There's also a key area that I marked up. Anyway, you can see here then that's where we formed resistance, right? After that big move down, formed resistance. Then we broke through it, but then price reacted there again, right? Not closing below. Go here. Price is gone. Close below it. Close back above it. Close back below
Yeah.
it. Not that important. And then I was considering should I remove it. Then I was like, okay, close above it. Close back below it. Price here. Into it. Price here. Now I see how many times here we're wicking. Did you get me? Above, below.
Yeah.
Multiple times. The price reacts here. So for me, why I left that there was because I either need to see structure above or below, but clearly price does react. And I have it as a 4 hour. I could just mark it out in yellow or whatever, but you can see there, you can see there, you can see there. This one not quite into there. This one pull back and then back above, almost into there. It's just I can see price react in these areas, and for that reason I've left it on. Now this was, when was this? November or December. Pulled back into the resistance there, pulled into there, didn't quite get to the rejection off of it there. Did you get me? It was still holding. Now we get into January. What do you see?
Yeah, same thing.
Right? So price is still reacting there every time, and therefore I've left it on. What can we see here? Same thing. Into there, into there,
You'll be back now, guys.
We have hourly flipping. Summative structure. But even though you have that, you still have to deal with this.
Yeah, I'm honestly just waiting for Candle to do one.
Yeah. So
Just show me which way.
support closing above, well, but still not above here. So spies look good. Yeah. Yeah. So, these from now stops above is 13 pips stop. 250 is like 30 pips. That's why you have targets. Target has been hit. I saw last night somebody posted something and they were saying like scalpers wouldn't be able to like do day trading or whatever, like because like, he said like he's been in this trade for 8 hours and it's only running now. And I'm like, imagine, like you talking all of us. Meanwhile, you trade like so. Like I said, like being in a trade for 8 hours just so that you can like get some profit with the 0.01. I said 0.01. Bro said no reason to over risk. And I'm like, what? 0.01. Anything above that
That's
is
crazy.
high risk. Nah, nah, brother. At least trade is 0.1. Like, at least 0.01. It's the only reason you're taking attack trades because you have to wait so long to smell some type of profit. You're trading with a low lot size, and you're trading with a low lot size because you don't believe in yourself, you don't have the data, and you suck.
Suck.
Yeah, you suck, bro.
Yeah.
Everybody also, if you guys you're still doing the same as last year and you're scared to bump it up, don't be. Have some confidence. If you don't have the confidence, it's because you don't have the data. Try to catch on cuck every day with something new. Stick to what you have. Look at your data. Does it work? Yes. Okay. I'm not saying just boom up your lot size, but at some point, I have to get over 0.01.
0.0 anything.
100%.
Yeah.
0.0
It
anything.
depends on how many you put in, but Captain.
Just
But
put in one
in
time.
in all honesty, like if you've been trading for a while and you've been making money, if you're still putting 500 Rand into a trading account, then I don't know. Put it in, but don't trade. Put another 500 rand in next month. Don't trade. Put another 500 rand in, then you start. But yeah, I was helping a guy now last week. He put in 500 rand. All right, he took it to 5K. Well, we took it to 5K altogether, but I told him, don't take that money out, leave it in. No, but we made this money, we must take it out, take it out. I'm like, okay, take the money you put in out and leave the rest there. Then you start building your account.
Diablo, this is a
Fucking,
blitz.
I
See
see.
this candle here? This is a blitz.
This
Oh,
one I
okay.
did.
There, okay. Hit break even with my runner.
Good job. And that's why you have targets, boys, and don't be greedy. And fight the trend. If you're gonna go counter trend, do your job.
Now it's my turn to play.
And if you're gonna go 0.01 and you're gonna put 10 of them bad boys there, just take one position, man. Instead of having to manage 10 positions. Just one to
Take 500.
no. Don't click.
I think full modern time.
That's
Full
just
mod.
straight gambling, bro.
Fun. It's fun.
No, look at what Diablo said. Diablo already he crossed the
Yeah,
line.
but you
already.
don't understand. You don't understand.
How
You
much
play
is-
COD with this guy. Then if you play COD with this guy, he
Let's
even
see.
treats that like a job.
1, 2, 3. How many positions did you take Diablo 4?
I took 3.
3. Okay,
How do,
close to
how do you manage one?
But that's still better than the 19 or 11 that I used to take.
Yeah, it's much better than what he used to do. Still just catch on nonsense.
19 entries.
I take 150 0.01s on gold.
What?
Snow, are you serious?
150 entries.
No, back below you.
No, man. I can see
Promise you.
who outmentored you.
So that's what you call barcoding.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's that speaking now? Because that Skippers.
Let's skip it.
Yeah.
Okay, Skippers.
Hello.
That Skippers used to come to the TikTok lives.
No.
Not. Oh, you must go check on TikTok. Just check my profile, diablotrades.sa.
Oh, check his profile.
If you want to see barcoding, or you actually don't go look at my profile. Go to Lopez.
Don't go to
That's what
anybody's-
you call
no,
barcode.
Don't go anywhere, brother. You 150 is already I don't think you need to see more. Now, let me tell you something. You do that, 150 entries and stuff, right? You keep doing that. Then you go and you try and withdraw your money from the broker, and then they say, "Oh, sorry, no, we can't pay you out." And then you why?
Ain't why?
Why do you think? Why do you think the broker doesn't pay those people out?
Remember that whole thing with me and Just Markets? All they gave me back was my initial amount that I had in the account.
Yeah, because
You
trade
signed
like
up a broker called Just Markets.
shit. Exactly. King.
Just JUST.
You just.
I'm gonna go grab water quickly, boys. Think about it though, right? Look at all those guys taking 100 entries and then they don't get paid out and stuff and blame the broker. It's not the broker.
So look on Instagram, the entrepreneur SA. So look at his trading. Oh. He takes
Wait,
about
I'm quickly
300 positions.
I'm just grabbing water.
I'm quickly gonna go. I'm gonna go on my TikTok quickly and screenshot one of my videos and send it to you, Skippers.
But the thing
Just give
is,
it a second.
it doesn't matter how you trade. You make money in the market, it's good. But the only way you're gonna make 1 million or 10 million if you barcode. Or you're gonna have a really big account to take a 150 or 200 lot size.
Skippers, I sent there in the chat. I sent a screenshot. Can you see it?
Okay. You will not get paid out by taking 100 entries. I promise you that. You can make whatever money that you make, eh? You will not get paid out. This I promise you.
I am looking at cells
I know
of
you
this
will.
candle.
I promise you guys, if you're gonna barcode, you're not gonna get paid out.
No, I stopped this barcoding. Fucking, it's not. It's not. Make sure. Where's KG? Is the man still trading?
Yeah, I think he's also just got fed up with the TikTok thing. I mean, people just report you left, right, and center on TikTok. Somebody got a ban for he plays games. He also like he trades crypto, so invests in crypto. But you don't even show any of that. You just plays games, playing FIFA. Somebody reported it. I'm like, what?
No ways.
Yeah, bro. And after I got a ban also one time, like I was just like, fucking stupid. Go listen to the dummies then. And if you guys think I'm making my own nonsense up about barcoding, please go barcode your next trade and then try and withdraw your money.
Barcode on a news event. See what happens.
Can you guys hear that? Oh, yeah. YouTube's. How long's YouTube been
So
on?
what you say? This thing is called a blitz. Blitz scandal.
It's not called the Blitz scandal, man. We just.
No, is that your name for it? Is what I'm
Yeah.
asking.
We're just saying we're looking for blitzing, basically. Blitzing is like
Oh.
play FIFA and I beat you 7-0, 10-0. It's a blitzing. Blitz like.
But we've had this conversation. You wanted to kick me out of your life. I don't play FIFA. I don't watch soccer.
I only kick you out if you just send screenshots of positions in my explanation. So I wanted to check out YouTube's been on for almost 2 hours ago. I'm gonna log off on the YouTube. Cheers YouTube, I don't have a special outro or anything. Peace out.